Another quick video about bushing storage. People ask me sometimes about, how I do my storage and what I use. And I use these makeup jars, and I've described them before on how I set the makeup jar up, with the label on the side, scuff up the top, and write in a Sharpie. But sometimes the bushings are, for like rollerball and fountain pens, are bigger than these small, I think these are 2-ounce makeup jars. I'll have to check again. But I got these off of Amazon. So they make them in other sizes. So this fits most pens people make, that the ballpoint pens, these go in this smaller jar. And simply get a slightly bigger jar. So when you're working with the bigger pens, they won't fit in that small jar. I get this one, this one's got the Majestic Junior in it. Luckily these are the same diameter, but also the visual indicator is, I know if I'm looking for a rollerball or fountain pen, obviously I see the bigger jar. Or you can actually just group them together. And then for the things like mandrels, the individual taps, dies, or whatever things, doohickeys that go with some of the project kits, I get even this bigger jar. And I put those in. And this is, the new bushing system I set up. And I think I'm going to make another special row just for these guys, maybe out of the way somewhere. We'll see. Anywho, just thought I'd show that off as well. I'll try and put some links to these Amazon makeup jars, but they're pretty simple to find. I get the ones with the white top so I can write on them, but they come in other colors as well. Anyways, I'll just share that with you guys. Have a good day. Please feel free to like the video and subscribe. Appreciate it.